Neil Armstrong, 1930 to 2012, NASA astronaut and the first human to ever walk on the moon. Guy de Maupassant, 1850 to 1893, legendary French writer, celebrated as a master of the short story. Anthony Edwards, born 2001, NBA All-Star shooting guard for the Minnesota Timberwolves. Gavi, born 2004, Spanish midfielder playing for FC Barcelona. Patrick Ewing, born 1962, Hall of Fame NBA center, primarily known for his tenure with the New York Knicks. Carl Crawford, born 1981, former MLB All-Star outfielder. Daniel van der Donk, born 1991, Dutch professional football star. James Gunn, born 1966, co-CEO of DC Studios and director of the Guardians of the Galaxy trilogy. Jesse Williams, born 1981, actor best known for his role as Dr. Jackson Avery on Grey's Anatomy. Mark Strong, born 1963, acclaimed British actor known for Kingsman and Sherlock Holmes. Olivia Holt, born 1997, American actress and singer who starred in Disney's Kickin' It. Maureen McCormick, born 1956, beloved actress who played Marcia Brady on The Brady Bunch. Youngblood, born 1977, English alternative rock musician and singer. Travie McCoy, born 1981, frontman of Gym Class Heroes and billionaire singer. Pat Smear, born 1959, rhythm guitarist for the Foo Fighters and former touring guitarist for Nirvana. Adam Yauch, 1964 to 2012, lead rapper and founding member of the Beastie Boys. Thank you for watching this video.